Blizzard Jonas 2016 was absolutely crazy. With record levels of snow of 20 to 30 inches, it was impossible to even leave your homes, let alone your neighborhood. But we made the best of it and did all types of activities. If you're still stuck in the snowstorm, this is the video for you. And if you may be stuck in the future, this is probably still the video for you. So tune in and see what we did to keep busy the entire Blizzard Jonas 2016. Lord. So it would not be a snowstorm if we did not get into it and get out here. I'm ready to go sled, and fortunately for me, there is a huge hill right in the back. So we're gonna make our way back there and go sledding. And I have like a elementary snowboard, so we're gonna do a little bit of that too. This is ridiculous. Snow Blizzard 2016. Oh snap! I'm stuck! Oh my god! Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not sure if this is gonna work out, but we're gonna see. Ah! Lord! See, I'm not even about to do this. As you guys can see, the snow is essentially almost all the way up to my knee. It's ridiculous. Woo! Alright. So, let's see how this is gonna work out. Wait, but they were sledding earlier. Obviously, the snow is not hard enough yet, and it's way too deep, so I'm literally sinking into the snow. Alright, so first sale of the Blizzard 2016 Jonas Blizzard. Sledding's not gonna work. So, what else can we do? We can always make snow angels! Woo! Gosh, this snow is intense. Hey guys, this is another really great thing to do on a snow day during the Snow Blizzard of 2016, Snow Blizzard Jonas. I decided I'm gonna bake cookies. You guys know that I love my sweets, and cookies are absolutely so easy. Even if you don't know how to cook, like me, you can definitely do this. It's literally, I look at the Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies. The recipe is right on there and the directions are there as well. So all I have to do is line it with some foil, throw the cookie dough right on there, and then I just put it in the oven. I already have the oven preheat to 350 degrees. So this will be a quick fix. These look absolutely delicious. I'm so excited to eat them. So let's go ahead and put them in the oven. I'm gonna use these mitts just because the oven is preheated, so we wanna make sure we do safety first. And as I put it in, I'm just gonna slide them in with the mitts, and I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see how they turn out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slide these right on in. The oven, oh, this oven is hot and toasty, so I'm really glad I had my mitt. And we're just gonna wait and see how this comes out.
You know, when it's snowing outside, you got nothing to do. You can clean the house, drink some hot cocoa, or you can get on the treadmill and get in a quick half-an-hour workout. That's what I always do. Beat the snow.
Speaking of hot cocoa, why not enjoy it by a warm fireside? It's extremely easy to be a little bit lazy during the snowstorm of 2016, but we decided we were going to stay productive. So we read a book, we did some website designing, wrote a couple of marketing plans, and kept busy. And for us artistic people out there, we recommend doing some arts and crafts. In a world where social media is the latest thing on the market, we'd be crazy for us to say to stay off your phones. So go ahead, be social. Just make sure that you're socializing with people in front of you as well as on your phone. This would be the perfect time to get a Netflix account and, I don't know, Netflix and chill. If you're gonna be stuck in a snowstorm, you might as well embrace it. So do a fun dance and just take it by control. And obviously, there's the inevitable.
Oh hey, you know, every snowstorm, you're gonna have to shovel. It's inevitable. Just make sure you get low, pick from the top, and watch out for your back.
And remember, there's no business like snow business.